Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how does Shopify work. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Shopify works as a software as a service tool, offering a wide range of technology products that are necessary to set up, design, run and grow your online store with a monthly subscription. In other words, you have to pay to use this platform. Shopify features plans ranging from $29 for basic to $290 for advanced plans, with access to the admin panel where you can build a fully functional online store from front end to back end. Shopify works by unifying all of your commerce into a single central command center. If you're a Shopify merchant with both an online and physical presence, your inventory and stock get synced so you can manage your stores from one account on any device. With Shopify, merchants can build and customize an online store and sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, social media, online marketplaces, brick and mortar locations, and pop-up shops. Shopify also has features to manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping. Shopify is completely cloud-based and hosted, which means you can access it from any connected compatible device and will handle software and server upgrades and maintenance for you. This gives you the flexibility to access and run your businesses from anywhere with an internet connection. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.